Hello, quarantine guys, gals, and pals. Don't judge me because I have no idea what I'm doing. Whoa. I wonder how that's gonna sound. Anyway, don't judge me because I don't know what I'm doing. And yes, this is a very janky setup. Don't judge me for that either. This is why I tried keeping it out of the way, but I decided just to bring it closer because it's easier to talk to. I'm going to be building a computer. It's going to be for my nephew, Ashton. Hi, Ashton. I'm not going to put this up until he gets it, so it's probably going to be way later into the month. So for right now, it's June 7th. His birthday is June 21st, so he'll get that at some point. But I'm going to go ahead and build it for you, and hopefully this works out well. I think I'm going to use my phone for this, so I don't know how this is going to go, but I hope you enjoy. video here, and I just wanted to say before anyone judges me that I did in fact fix the 24-pin cable. I realized that this left section here was for cable routing, so I fixed that, just so anybody knows. I forgot to take a picture of it though, but it is fixed, just so you know. Okay, so this is the real test here. I haven't tried turning it on yet, and I'm leaving the front panel off until further. Okay, that's spinning. That's spinning. Sorry, my monitor is really messy, but. Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back from our little montage. Yes, I do look crazy. No, I'm not going to explain. You're getting a video later for it. Look forward to that. It is already the 22nd. Oh God, it's 4 o'clock in the morning. Oh my God. What? So it's the 22nd. So Ashton got his computer yesterday, and I think he likes it. I'm really happy that it got there because they live a couple states away, so I had to actually mail it. That was really stressful. I was worried the entire time that something was gonna fall out or break, or I don't know. But I am just so happy, and they haven't gotten the mouse, keyboard, and monitor yet, but they will be getting that pretty soon. So look forward to that. I'm excited. I'm happy. I'm so happy. It looks so good. I think this might be like the most beautiful computer I've ever built. Like, mine doesn't even look that good. Also, those cables, the up here, I believe, is that what they are? No, easy DIY. Those sleeved cables are amazing. I have in my own computer, I have Corsair ones, and I like the easy DIY better, even though like they're not customizable. But oh my God, it's the type of cable they are. It's like the stiffer kind, and it feels so much better. The nylon, whatever, I don't know, the cloth one sucks. It's just like, it's so, ugh. Okay. I don't know how much of this is getting staying in, but thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and feel free to leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that nonsense, and peace out. Make a video.
Thanks, and team, for the computer monitor. No, not monitor.
It's a computer. Do you like it?
Yeah.
You're excited, huh?
Yeah. So,